And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And News 5 viewer Linda Watkins, a regular contributor to our newscast, sent me this amazing photo after taking a trip up to 11 Mile Reservoir. This just to the southwest of Lake George up there in Park County. And you can see some of the trees showing signs of fall, and I expect that to be the case in many areas over the next couple of weeks. In fact, that was the case today up in Summit County in Breckenridge, where, check this out, a moose on the loose. I mentioned this when I showed the photo in the 5 o'clock newscast, but I've seen several moose over the years in Breckenridge, including one time I was there for Thanksgiving back in 2020, riding up a lift on Peak 9, trail not open underneath me, but a moose running on the fresh snow out there in Breck, a sight I will never forget. Now, we have been very warm so far for the month of September. In fact, only 6 days have been at or below the 30-year average of 77.1 degrees. And so far for this year, 2022, we are averaging more than 5 degrees above that, with the warmest days coming back in the beginning of the month when we saw records on the 7th, 8th, and even on the 20th of September. Today in the Springs, we were 83 degrees and we've cooled down about 5 notches since then. So currently in the upper 70s, but as the sun sets in the next 30 minutes or so, temperatures will begin to cool off quickly. Right now in Pueblo, still some sunshine left over from today and a current temperature at 85. Now, we have seen a few thunderstorms down across southern parts of the state, even into the central mountains, southern parts of the Sangres as well. But most of the heavier rain today down to our south. Now, we will see a weak disturbance come out of the western U.S. and move into Colorado over the next 24 hours. That moisture and energy actually undercuts the ridge of high pressure, which is going to be the primary player. That's generally a fair weather maker. That's going to keep us warm and dry from Wednesday to Thursday before this next trough moves in from the north. And that does initiate some cooler and unsettled changes as we head towards the weekend. In fact, take a look at Saturday in the Springs. We're up near 60% for Pueblo, bumping up to about 40% with some slight chances for showers on Friday as well in both areas. But tomorrow, that's going to be your first opportunity for rain as we make our way into Tuesday afternoon. Now, Tuesday morning starts out generally dry, but as the kids head home from school tomorrow afternoon, anytime after 3 here across the urban corridor, we could see a few scattered showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could be on the stronger side as they move off the Pikes Peak area towards Colorado Springs. I don't think it'll be necessarily a hail-producing type storm, but we could see some strong gusts, maybe as high as 40 to 50 miles per hour. And a few storms try to work east into the plains, but thanks to some drier air, I don't think they get too far off of I-25. Your lows tonight cooling down to the 30s, 40s, and 50s. And your highs tomorrow, they'll be about 3 to 5 degrees cooler than what we saw this afternoon, but still above average for this time of the year. So let's do a breakout here on the Super 7-day forecast. I've got some scattered thunderstorms. Rain chances up around 30 to 40% from mid-afternoon through early evening. Drier Wednesday to Thursday. Then a chance builds back Friday, and then again, better chances for rain as we head into the weekend. For Pueblo, we've got 80s all the way through Friday, dropping down about 10 degrees for the weekend with daily storm chances from Saturday to Sunday. Canyon City, a few scattered storms on the menu Tuesday, and then we're dry and warmer as we make our way towards Thursday, cooling by the weekend with low to mid 70s and a good chance of rain by Saturday afternoon. For Woodland Park, I've got scattered storms Tuesday and more chances for rain and thunderstorms on Friday. Cooler air means the thunderstorm threat's a little bit lower Saturday to Sunday, but still some showers in that weekend forecast. Send it back to you.